looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop, won't stop, it said. 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 Oh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. NASDAQ. Oof. Wow. There's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop, won't stop, it said. NASDAQ. Can't stop, won't stop, they said.
What it do, what it do, what it do. Doing a little afternoon trading here. Gonna see what's popping off here today. What's the news? We got some news on only prop firms, as well as we added a new firm today. We added a trade day there. You can check out all the latest and greatest info on prop firms right now in the space with only prop firms. But right now, pulling up the NASDAQ, we did break out of this downward trend from the 650 area through the pivot point there, all the way down there at the 550s. And right now, the dollar selling off, the NASDAQ selling off. So we'll see if we get a little bit of action here, end of day, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock time frame. Maybe look for end of day push here. So thought I would jump on here and see what's popping. Right now, looking at the 15-minute chart here. Pretty lackluster day. We did break down from that pivot down there nicely, consolidating kind of once again. It wasn't until 12 o'clock that we finally broke the downside there. So interesting to see that. Right now, pushing back up, kind of resistance here at the 90s or so on the NASDAQ for now. Both the ES and the NASDAQ pushing, trying to push back up here. The ES is actually holding up a lot better than the NASDAQ currently. So NASDAQ not as much of a pushback up just yet. NASDAQ a little bit lagging here. We're back above the VWAP on the ES while the NASDAQ is trying to push up there. So we'll see what happens here. If we'll get that push to the 600s up there next. Party, party. Right now, 2-minute chart we got sitting here looking at. 2-minute chart, 17,580s. Sevens. Dollar pulling back here. And we will see what comes of today. End of day action here. End of day action. We did not get any fish. No fish today. Pretty mellow day out there. Just kind of see what happens out of this 80 level now on the NASDAQ, obviously. So still just kind of holding up here, not really moving. The dollar right now is starting to push back up. The NASDAQ holding on there. So should probably get a better move here after 3 o'clock, end of day. If we can get that normal kind of end of day move, you get some more liquidity, more action. Right now, just waiting to see where we go from here now. Market trying to push up there through the 90s. 600 obviously being the next push. The next push. 600 to the upside there, so we'll see if she happens. Kind of like this for possible long. I'm kind of like it. Kind of waiting to see if we're going to break out here or if we're going to break down. The dollar is still kind of selling off. It's going to get tight. Thinking this is a long. If we break out here, we got to push through the 600s quickly there. Through the 600s, things, I think it could go pretty much like 620s from there. Pivot point to the upside, so. So we're looking at right now. Trying to push up here. Well, she tried to get through the 90s. Getting very tight. Kind of watching the dollar here. If the dollar starts to sell down. Still plenty of time till 3 o'clock, but this thing is looking like she wants to push higher. I'm somewhat tempted to try to get in here. Don't know, just waiting. Still waiting, watching. Market wanting to push higher here. If we get through 93s, be looking for that move above the 600s there next. The Dow continues to push higher as well. Just been on a tear up at the highs right now, so. We will find out. Nice little breakdown there at 12 o'clock. Someone pointing out the trend line breakdown there. Nasdaq's trying to push up through the 90s here now. Again, getting stuck right there. She's right there. She wants it. 5-minute chart. Got to get above the 90s. Watching here, what can happen? What will happen? Don't work. Not again. I need music. The music makes my body move. Burp, 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 burp. Oh, man. The dollar is starting to push back up. The NASDAQ just can't get through this level. I think if the dollar starts to move back down, we'll get this push through the 90s there. And 600 would be there, so. Trading the NASDAQ right now, looking for this push through the highs there. 95 to break out, and 600s would be your target to the upside there, so. Trying this long out right now for a push above the 95s, up there to the 600s. Just got to get through 95s there, strong. Up there to the 95s now. Now looking to see if we can squeeze all the way through the 600s like we were looking for. Moving my stop to break even, and then I want to see this push right through the 600s there next for bulls in the bulls. Beautiful. And then I'll move my, if we break through 600 strong, I'll move my stop up and try to trail this higher here. I think there's no reason to take profit before we get a real test of that 600 level. This is exactly what we were looking for, that breakout here through the 90s, right up there through the 95s. We get through the 600s here next quickly. You see that dollar to continue selling lower here. If we get stopped out now, it's in break even, so. Just free money at this point. I need 600s or more here, baby. Come on. Just looking to see if we can get through this 97, 98 level. We should rip right through the 600s there next. So I'm staying in it for now. Looking for this push through 98s. It's almost 3 o'clock here. Got 9 minutes till 3 o'clock as well. Testing 98s here again. We can go straight through here, go through the 600s there next. Like I said, I'm long from the 90s here. Looking for straight through 600s. At this point, I'm going to move my stop right there to the 93s. Oh, almost getting all the way filled. Got one contract filled there at 93s. Just to make sure I can lock in at least $1,000. Got filled one contract right there when I moved my stop. Well, we're still in it. We're still good. No way. That would have really... Imagine getting all of that filled. Now if it's going to break out. Oh, man. She wants that 600 break here. There we go. 600 is pushing. 99, 99, 99, 99. Ooh, baby. There's that push through the 600s now. Looking at sell 5 right there just to lock it in. And we'll see if we can get this 9. We got 9 contracts left. Let's look for some runners here end of day, baby. Why not? Got my sell stop down there. We've locked in some profit. Let this thing party. We get above this 601 area, 605 there next. We got a pivot point up there at the 26s. Pivot point at the 26s there, so... Trying to get this. Need some continuation. Don't pull back and stop me out. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. You son of a gun. It's trying. It's trying. Oh, man. Wow. Wow. That's comedy. At its best. Oh, God. Back up. Dollar trying to push back up, holding the NASDAQ down. Dollar just really screwing us over there. We got up to a high of 601.75. Pulled back now, so maybe got a little greedy there. I was hoping for one of those end of day pushes, you know, just a nice straight up move, but instead just locking it in there, so. Now it's gonna take off again. Still holding up there at the 90s. The overall idea here was to get long for this breakout to the upside from the 90s up there to the 601s. I wouldn't say it was a terrible idea. Market just didn't want to push through that resistance right there. Both the ES, the NASDAQ, having a little bit of trouble there. This candle squeezes right back up. Gotta love that. We'll try another long here after getting stopped out on this pushback up here. Just in case it rips straight up. Would like to see that go right through it now. There at the 600s again. We don't want it to be slow here. Looking for straight up action through the 98s there, 99s. She's got to go right through there. Trying to push. The YM Dow has made a big push. NASDAQ trying to push through the 600s here again. All right, we need to go right here, right now. I'm taking profit. Let's see. Again, stuck there, 98s. Watching it very closely here. I need to just possibly just take it right here if we can't go. Let's go. Watching this very closely here. Ooh. Did not like that reaction right there. And stuck there, 93s. Just want to see what happens in this 90 area now. Getting right down there, 90s. We either got to bounce like right here, right now. And stopped out here. Almost. Now we got the dollar selling off. Dollar selling off here. The NASDAQ down to the 91s. Now it's going to rip back up here. It's going to jump it out right there. Only down. Was up 900 and then down right now 800. So. Still sitting here at the 90s for now. Almost 3 o'clock here. Dollar's still selling down. NASDAQ's just sitting here. ES is having trouble pushing up, so uneventful right now. 3 o'clock. NASDAQ trying to push back up here again off the 90s. Market's still holding up at the 90s. Like we said earlier, this kind of idea of getting the end of day push. Will we go? 600's there next. There we go back, 600 push. Straight up there, the 600s again, 99s holding us down for now. We get through the 99s, looking for, I'd say, at least 605, 610, 620s. End of day, got that pivot point to the upside there at the 627s. Will we get there? We'll find out. Dollar still pulling back. The NASDAQ sitting here right below 600 for another kind of double top at this level. The bulls cannot get through 600 strong. We get through there, I think. VWAP, pivot point to the upside. Kevin, how'd I do this morning? $35,000? To the downside, looking at probably 75. Looks pretty good there on the 5-minute chart to pull back into. Currently have no position open. Seeing what's going to happen here. Tricky one. Pulling back down there below the 90s. Brett is down bad right now. Brett Simba down to 572, baby. Oh, buddy. He's down bad. Just kidding. He's up big. He's up big. Down big. Up big. Everywhere big. Real big. NASDAQ down there to the 81s. Next level to the downside. Down there, 77s or so. She's moving there. The ES taking more heat right here. NASDAQ still kind of selling there. Will she sell all the way is the $1 million question. Looks like it. Oh, buddy. Down there, the 75s. Almost to Brett Simba's 72s. Will it get all the way down there? Oh, man. Right back up off the 75s. It's a dump. It's a dump. It's a dump. 75s break. 72, 70 down there next. Not a bad plan. Not a bad plan. Do-do-do-do-do. $15 contracts. Bogdan Grigorov. 15 contracts. He said, time to party, baby. All right, all right. This guy's ready to party. Dollar's pushing back up. NASDAQ stuck here at the 80s again. Will we continue selling? We get through this 80 level. I think we get down there to the lows. Right? I think. Yeah, no fish today. We just went out. We just went and got some gas and got some stuff ready for fishing tomorrow. Market trying to sell down here. Watching for a possible short. Get through this 80 level strong and then move down 75s. And then be targeting probably that 50 level down there, 550 area for end of day sell here. Would make sense, right? So down there to the 75s now, trying to push down through the 75s, take out this little level right here, right down here into the 70s quickly. What is the maximum amount of heat allowed? I don't know. $1 million. Don't want to lose that. Holding up there, 75s again, pushing back up to the 90s. Dollar having a little bit of trouble. NASDAQ, ES. The ES at the low, not at the lows, but kind of pulling back into that previous area of resistance. What will she do? The bug in my eye. Gotta get it out of there. Trying to push back up here. After getting down there below the 90 level, stuck here at the 80s again. Trying to see what's gonna happen here. Just stuck 85s for now. See if we tap right into that 90 level there. Right up there into the 90s now, 91s. Look at that. Straight up. Dollar's pushing back up. Nasdaq's pushing back up here. Definitely some mixed signals. ES just broke out of a bear flag as well. Pushed right back up. So the bear flag on the ES, the bear flag on the Nasdaq, break into the upside there nicely. At this point, I probably would not get long until we get above 600s here. We get above 600s, we got to push up there to that pivot VWAP level. So it's kind of being patient here. Nice little pullback there again. Sellers coming in there. Oh, what the fuck is this? I got some sunscreen in my eyeballs. Sunscreen in my eyes. Well, I was hoping for a little bit better action here. We basically really didn't go that far today. Market from the 658s down there to the 585s, so that big move coming there at 12 o'clock. That was definitely the move of the day right there. 12 o'clock, dropping straight down from the 625s all the way pretty much down into the 560s. Market's still looking like it's I don't want to say I don't really know is bullish or bearish. It's obviously just right now going sideways here. Part of me still is leaning more towards the short idea. below the 90s here. I don't know. Yeesh. $595.80s. The battle is real. The trap is real. The battle is real. $15-minute chart kind of holding up here at the 80s right now. Do we get this push through all these highs up here? 15-minute chart, a lot of highs up there. And got this 610 level there. The pivot point to the upside, 626 is. Not a terrible idea, I don't think. Just basically need a breakout through here. Break it out. Break it out. VWAP to the upside, pivot point to the upside. We got this lows down here, 548s. It's a massive range right now between the 97s and the 50s here. Dollars pushing back up right now here as well, so the battle is real. If we get some more likes here on the stream, we'll do another giveaway. Can we get the likes through the roof, and we'll post up a giveaway today. You know you want it. You need it. You want some more of it. Yeah, Scott Mitchell. I'll be sending out the new email. Send me an email, patrick@marketflowtrader.com. Things getting real tight right here, boys. Look at this right now. It's a battle. It is a battle. Trying to push up here. Breakout. End of day breakout. Oh. Trying to push through the 90s here. I think I'm just going to grab this thing and let's try it. Let's try it here. Trying the long here. If we can get this breakout through the 95s there next. Tight stop on it. We're either going to look for the quick breakout and get a nice little push above 600s, or we will get stopped. Definitely a little bit of an entertainment trade here to get through the 95s. Trying to get through the 95s here. I want to see that push right to the 600s. Some trouble up there at the 95s again. Just can't get that volume to get through there. Still long for now. Stop at the 87s. Just hard to get the continuation right now. There we go. Come on, right through the 95, 600s there to break next. Still long here from 92, looking to see if we can get through the 600s. Market now just stuck right here at my entry. Great. Just great. Looking to see if we get this move up, but right now the market just stuck at the 95s again. Market 90s. Why? Why can't, if I go live on YouTube, why can't we just go up? Just go up. Just go up. Oh, fucking A. Oh, it's working. It's working, baby. Just go through the 95, 96s. 95, 96s. I'm long for the 92s. Come on, buddy. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. Through the 600, looking for a 600 break. 600 to break, baby. Need that 600 break right here, right now. I'm gonna sell 2 right there. Just lock some in. Just lock some in, boys. Still got 5 contracts left. Up to the 600s. I'm gonna lock in 2 more. I got 3 left. I got 2 left. Ooh, buddy. Patrick never tells me. I watch Patrick live on YouTube every day, and I never know. I never know what he's gonna do. Is he gonna buy? He never tells me. He never tells me. He never tells me what to do. There's 3 left. Yes, 3 left. Let's see if we can get some push here, end of day. It's pretty much free money at this point, so just putting my stop here at the end. I like to see the possible kind of at least like 610 area, maybe 620s. End of day here. Look for the squeezy squeeze. If you guys are making money right now, live in the chat, let me know. www.buddy. Oh, he kid's going higher. How did he know? Like I said, looking for that push up there to the 10s. 07, 08's there now. Let's go. The trade is still going from the 92s. We're making the money. Making the money, honey. Nice little move here from the 92s all the way up there into the 600s now. End of day here. We've got still 30 minutes till end of day, till the end of the day bell. We are still long 3 contracts, seeing what happens here. Giving us some room just to kind of see if we can really maximize the profit on this trade for some like move up to the 20s or something end of day. It's a bit of a lottery play, but you know, we let it ride. I've got 19 funded accounts with Apex right now. And I should have 20 very soon. Ooh, buddy. Kind of like flirting with the idea of adding to this, honestly. What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm just like, fuck it. If it does what we think it's going to do, it's another 20 points higher from here. It could do it. It could do it. Aye, Poppy. Oh man, why can't we just get that like 50 point? You know how there's those days where the market just like goes do 50 points higher end of day. If I go live on YouTube, it's not gonna happen. I apologize. I apologize to everyone in the chat. You know, I apologize. It's my fault. It is my fault actually. So the problem now, I feel like if I get stopped out here for break even, this thing's gonna bounce off that level and go higher. I don't know. Stopped out. Ugh. Still plenty of profit there. We locked in the majority of the contracts there. For that 600 push, we had 3 left. Market pulling back there. The chop continues. We can't get anything to happen here today. Can't get anything to happen here today. It's funny too because the dollar's pulling back here as well. You would think the NASDAQ would want to go. Joshua's mine. I'm in 6 to 17,620. What's you're in at this level right here? Yo, you crazy. Yo, you crazy. Tell me you crazy, but not tell me you crazy. Market pulling back here. We got stopped out of the long there, and see how she goes. How much in payouts have I taken from Apex so far? I have not taken a payout from Apex yet. I got to get my 10 trading days locked in here. We're getting close, very close. I just started trading with Apex, what, 2 weeks ago? So give me a little bit of time, 3 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago. I think 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I don't know. Very recently. The NASDAQ chopped right back down there to the 80s. Did you have to pass all of your Apex accounts? Yes, I did. The dollar holding up, the NASDAQ selling off, the ES selling off here. The market is moving. Market is moving here. 580s again from the 600s. Right back down there. They trapped into the upside and now pulling it right back down. ES also pulling back. The NASDAQ pulling back. The ES got the VWAP. Above the VWAP on the ES here. We still got about another 26 minutes till the market closes here. Might just keep an eye on maybe trying to get one more good trade here today. Just one more good trade. That's all. I'm currently using Tradevate is the platform that I'm using currently. The market moving back down here to the 81s now. $15-minute chart set up here. Very, very lackluster close here. Very lackluster. Oh-wee! Oh-woo! Don't know what to do. I'm watching, I'm looking at all the different time frames, different setups. It could bounce here, it could go lower. Not really for sure either way. I'd say if we sell through this level here, well, then you're targeting this 48.50 level down there. So Joshua's mind is now 6 short to 17,560. All right. Earlier he was long, now he's short. We'll see what happens. Still holding on here. Brett Simba, when are we gonna get a brewski? I don't know, bro. Sounds trappy. You could have a van with candy on the side, free candy. I don't know. Could be scary. Some man off the internet had a sign that said free candy. Free candy. He came on my YouTube channel and said, "Hey Patrick, you want some candy?" I said, "What kind of candy you got?" You know what I had the other day? It was pretty good. Those little runts. The little, what are those things? Not runts. Fuck, a little. What you know what I'm talking about? Nerds. It was the nerds. You guys know. Yeah, the nerds, but they have them like in gummy bears. Nerds gummies. Nerds gummies. Right now, the market's sitting here at the 580s right now. Oh, man. We got about another 10 minutes until the 350 end of day market order close, market on close. Like, I kind of want to get short. I kind of don't. I really don't, like, not that, like, worried about it, to be honest. But I'm kind of like, it would be not a terrible idea to get short. But maybe it would be. I don't know. Still looking real pretty here with my Apex accounts. All in the green still. Yeet. There's so many of them. I can't even, they're all, like, literally below me. There's so many. Just money. It's just money. Just money there. That 81 level, the battle is real. The dollar squeezing straight up there. Things are getting wild. The ES is continuing to hold up. The ES holding up at the VWAP there for now. The NASDAQ still below the VWAP, but the ES above the VWAP here. So things are heating up right now. Heating up here, people. Somebody said all in long. I'm not going to lie, it's not the worst idea I've ever heard. Not the worst idea, but we will see. People always ask, like, whoa, Patrick, how many contracts do you trade with? And I'm like, I just press the button until it says no more. No more allowed. Yep, maxed. Maxed out, baby. Leo Carlito said 17,544 is inevitable. Inevitable. It's inevitable. Tanya Trades can confirm. She saw me entering with just bang, 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 bang. Look at the squeeze happening right now, boys. The bull is trying to push us back up here above the 90s. What time is it? 9:43. I mean, sorry, 9:43. 3:43. Market trying to push up there through the 90s now. I'm looking. We might just have to jump in on this thing. Just jump straight into it, all in, all the time. Watch this 93 area here. Do we take the 93s quickly? The high right now, 93.50 there on that candle. Pulling back there again. Good thing we did not watch that 93 level. That 93.50 was the high of that candle. We got stuck right there at that 92 level. Holding up there, 88s again, 80s again. Where are we going to go here, boys? Where are we going to go? What's going to happen here? We got 5 minutes till end of day. Joshua's Mine. Can you come check out the boat if it hits 17,550? Sure. Sure, no problem. No problem. Where are we going, man? Where are we going? What's happening? Still got 4 minutes here till the 350 algorithm, baby. Get ready. If you don't know about the 350 algorithm, stay tuned. It's going to get wild. We're going to make so much money. Money. Or lose so much money. Obviously, trading is very financially risky. Very risky doing this type of stuff. Don't do it, kids. Stay at home. Stay in school. Stay in school. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Full port, yes. Always full port. I mean, if you're going to win, you might as well win big, right? If you're going to win, you might as well win big. We're going to win big together, fam. I'm going long. It's going to hit. You got to go right through this 94 or 95 level. I close my eyes. I don't even look at it no more. I don't even know what's happening. Up there to the 96s. I'm looking for a bigger payday than just a few $1,000. I want to see if there's a possible move through the 600s here, end of day. It's end of day, baby. Let's fucking go. Breaking necks, cashing checks. I want this straight through the 600s there next. What other channel on YouTube does it live? I showed you my entry. I told you. I said, hey, I'm getting fucking long, baby. We're going to look for a move. It's either going to happen or it's not. I highly suggest do not try this at home. Do not try this at home, kids. Stay in school. Day trading is a dumb idea. Don't do it. We're either going to get paid or we're going to get paid. Only paid, basically. But don't do it. Honestly, don't do it. It's bad for you. This is very bad trading style. I am not representing this as a good idea by any means. I'd like to see a push straight up through the 600s here. There we go. We got about 15 seconds till the 3:50 news. About to either find out if we're going to get paid or delayed. Oof. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Will we get paid? She's trying to push through 96s here. We go through 96s. Look at that. 600 push there next. That's right. That's how we do it, my friends. That's the way you like to do it. We'll put an order out here to try to get filled. We got filled 5 right there. I put another order up here for 5 above 600s. We're doing this fucking live, by the way, live on YouTube every day at 9 a.m. If you haven't already tuned in before and seen the magic that is Patrick Wieland, you're missing out. Right here, it's happening, people. We're in it. It's all happening. She wants it. I took a little bit of profit at the top so far. I'll look to take some more if it goes higher, obviously. We can't complain about it, though. We can't complain. We're still looking for more, though. All I want for my birthday is a big booty bag of cash. Big booty bag of cash. Oh, yeah, I can move my stop up here for sure. Oh, God, don't do that. Stops at break even. It's the end of the day. It's either we're getting a big payday or we're getting break even on this. So, it is what it is. Like I said, we're going for a big trade, not a little trade. We need more. We need more. Break even. Push right there at 600 again and got denied. Oh, God. Now it's going to fucking pop straight up there. Still a nice little move. Still up over $35,000. $35,000 on the day right now. And can't complain. Profit is profit. We like profit. We like the profit. We like the profit. We like the profit. We like the profit. Boom. All right, so there it is. If you guys haven't tuned in at 9, I will not be live tomorrow morning or Thursday or Friday. I got a fishing tournament. So I apologize. I might try to do a live stream tomorrow morning early. I don't know. We'll see. The market's selling off right now. Look at this fucking chop. You know. So the chop is real. We got out when we got out. Got it done. So money is money. Money is money. Money is money. Something like that. All right, so there it is. If you guys want to learn more about Apex, there's a link down below. You can sign up today. They've got $35 resets. Apex is now $35 for the resets. So if you want to check them out, 71% off, 35% for the resets. And right now, the market trying to push back up here. So there it is. I will see you guys. If not tomorrow, I'll see you on the flip side, my friends. Peace to the Middle East. Peace.